Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the PlantIn Plant Identifier Care app. But before we get into that, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So links in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, we have it here on Google Play. If you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that to help you identify plants with more than 24,000 species with 99% accuracy. So let's get on over to the reviews here. So far, the reviews have been pretty bad. As you can see, this is a scam. Doesn't even recognize the simplest plants. It doesn't diagnose anything, and it charged me every 2 weeks. They attempted to charge my account multiple times a day before I could figure out how to cancel the subscription, and I was already too late and got charged $8.93 exactly 2 minutes into adding funds to my account. That's really bad. Transparency on the subscription length pricing is terrible, and the list goes on. So please, I advise you to not download this app since it will charge you a lot. Since those are the correct characteristics of a scam app, and they will charge you multiple times a day or weekly, and maybe if you don't notice, you will get your money will all be gone. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.